Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the part 2 of Linux basic commands. In this video we will continue learning about basic commands where we left off from part 1. So let's go and dig in. Sudo command, short for superuser do. This command enables you to perform tasks that require administrative or root permissions. However, it is not advisable to use this command for daily use, because it might be easy for an error to occur if you did something wrong. To give an idea, we'll run cat, etc. shadow command, which will list users' password hashes. Normal user cannot have right to print password hashes. Then we will use sudo before the above command. It will ask for root password, then it will display the hashes. The df command displays the information of device name, total blocks, total disk space, used disk space, available disk space, and mount points on a file system. df-m display information in megabyte. df-h displays information in human-readable format, prints the results in MB, GB. If you want to check how much space a file or a directory takes, the do, disk usage, command is the answer. To find out the disk usage summary of a test user documents directory, we write do documents. do-h command provides results in human-readable format, in bytes, kilobytes, megabytes, gigabytes, etc. If you use -s option with do-h, it will give a grand total disk usage size of a directory. The head command is used to view the first lines of any text file. For example, if you only want to show the first 5 lines, type head-n5 file name. The tail command is used to view the last lines of any text file. For example, if you only want to show the last 5 lines, type tail-n5 file name. uname-a command short for Unix name, will print detailed information about your Linux system like the machine name, operating system and kernel. If you want to know the name of your host or network, simply type hostname. Adding a -i to the end will display the IP address of your network. When you've been using Linux for a certain period of time, you'll quickly notice that you can run hundreds of commands every day. As such, running history command is particularly useful if you want to review the commands you've entered before. Equivalent to Task Manager in Windows, the top command will display a list of running processes and how much CPU each process uses. It's very useful to monitor system resource usage, especially knowing which process needs to be terminated because it consumes too many resources. Press Q to quit from top command. To clear the screen, use Clear command.